people, so today's video is going to be a little bit different. So today I want to show you guys how to wear your wigs with makeup and without makeup. This is the most asked question I get in the comment section from you guys. A lot of you guys don't wear full beat faces and just want to apply a wig that's going to look natural without foundation, without all that powder and stuff like that. So I did find a very simple method to do, which is very easy, that looks very natural and just flawless AF. So basically what I'm going to do is hair this unit down with the Ghost Bond. Not my favorite thing to use, but it was the only thing I had and it worked pretty well. I did take your recommendations and start using smaller portions of it, letting it dry and then going ahead and laying it down. So what I'm doing now is just adding a little bit of liquid foundation to my lace. This is the only thing I will be adding to the lace. You will not see powder added to this lace at all. Doing this method ensures that this lace looks transparent AF and that it blends. You will not need to wear makeup with this install at all. Trust me, keep on watching. So at this point of the video, I'm going to need you guys to go down to the comment section and let me know what you think about this hairline. So this is the second day after I installed this. Yesterday I wore this the entire day with no makeup on and people were like, wow. Now let me know what you guys think because I know for a fact that this looks absolutely stunning. Now this unit, guys, is from Myfirstwigs.com and yes, you can wear this unit without makeup, without a beat face. is a finished look of this beauty right here. So this video today was a little bit fun, a little bit different. So I have been reading the comment section lately, and you guys have been asking me to do a video on how to wear a wig without makeup. So a lot of people go to work and they don't wear beat faces, unlike me, who has to work and wear beat face just about all the time. But for those out there that don't wear makeup on a daily basis and just wanted to wear a nice wig without having all that extra foundation and stuff, and just have a nice natural look without all the extra powder and stuff, I thought today's video would be a little bit helpful trying to show you guys how to do it. So when I installed the wig, which was yesterday, I did wear it throughout the day without like a full beat face. What I did do is add a little bit of foundation to maybe an inch of the inner of the front cap, and that was what I used to kind of blend through my skin, so therefore I didn't have that little cast over around the perimeter, or I didn't have the wig look, if you know what I mean. So I thought that that was a great way to show you guys how to do it that way. I did go out to the grocery store and people were like, what the hell, your hair looks amazing. Minus the fact that I have that distracting beat face on, but they still loved my freaking hair. It looked really undetectable and nice. So I did show you guys, I'll show you guys on the side cast right now what it looks like when you wear it without makeup. So it is possible to do it that way, and I thought today's video would be helpful to show you guys. Now another big helper on why this can be worn without makeup and with makeup is because this unit is a complete unit. Guys, it's just popping. So this one came pre-bleached, pre-plucked. It also has an adjustable strap in the back. So this unit is the bomb. So this unit was sent to me from Myfirstwigs.com, and I'm not just saying that because you guys know I have 3 units with them. I'm saying that because this company definitely is beginner friendly. Like legitimately, I did not have to do anything to this unit. All I had to do was just glue it down, and that's it. This unit is totally complete, guys. Everything about this unit is totally slayed. Like I'm shocked at how fucking amazing this looks, and I had to say the cuss word because it's just crazy. So this unit is the Alexis Malaysian Human Hair Straight Lace Front Wig. My wig cap is a full lace wig cap. I did show you guys the inner part of my cap. So this one is a natural hair color. It's 20 inches long, as you guys can see. This texture is a silky texture, but I do feel like it has like a little hint of yak to it, but that's always me because I'm obsessed with Yaki straight hair. This one is 100% Malaysian hair, and this density, as is listed, as 130%. I do feel like this is more like 150, almost 180% density. The length is true to length. I kind of feel like this is about 22 inches. It might be like a little bit longer, but it's definitely all in all perfect. Now this is a full lace cap, guys, so it has that breathable cap in the back. The adjustable strap, I did put it on each hook. I hooked that up, and then the extra elastic band that they added to this, I did fix that as well. So this one is pretty secure on my head. I did glue this down ear to ear with the ghost bond. I did have the bolt hold, but I actually ran out of it, and I told you guys that I freaking love the bolt hold. So I did go back and use the ghost bond this time, and with the method this time, I just used smaller portions of the product and just spread it out, and it came out pretty clear, and it actually dried very nice. So you guys can see the full perimeter. I will go ahead and pull it up so you guys can see this entire video. I don't give a F if the hair gets messed up, like style wise. I really want to show you guys the perimeter of this unit, guys. Ear tab wise, it fell nicely. I did have to go in and trim it a little bit just to go around my ear. When you want to customize your ear tabs, make sure you guys are following the ring around your ear, just because you want to make sure you get like a little peak right here and just a slope back there. So I think I did a pretty good job on this side. If you guys want a more detailed video on how to customize your wig cap if it's too big, just leave that down in the description, in the comment section for me. But I think I did overall a good job. I didn't want to do baby hair magic just because I wanted you guys to see like the natural flow through on this bad boy here. And look, I can run my hands through it. Oh my God, like this is crazy, it's insane. So listen, this wig is definitely it. You probably don't need it in the full lace wig style. You can go ahead and get in lace front. Lace front usually comes with about 5 to 6 inches of parting space, so make sure you guys read the description clearly when you're purchasing the wig. I think that this came out really nice. Tell me what you guys think about the no makeup and with the makeup. For my low maintenance type of girls that don't wear full beat faces, this wig is definitely going to work. And the method that I used, just by adding just a little bit of my liquid foundation, just an inch of the part of the space up here was all you needed. I did not put any powder on this wig whatsoever, guys. This was the easiest install, to be honest with you. I was thinking to myself, like, maybe I should do some hairstyling or something like that, but I do feel like it looks way better straight. I feel like the straight look is just sleek It's parted in the middle so perfectly and it lays flat, which is the part that I really like, guys. So guys, I will leave all the information down below if you're interested in purchasing this unit from myfirstwigs.com. Do not forget, guys, to thumbs up this video, leave your comments down below, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family people. And I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.